So guys, to enable or disable fast startup, you want to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on power options on the top. And then you want to click on choose what the power buttons do. And now once you're on this, you want to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And now you're going to have an option that's called turn on fast startup. So if you want to disable it, you just want to untick it. And if you want to enable it, then you want to tick it. And then click on save changes. If you do not have turn on fast startup in edit power plan, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, if you want to disable it, you want to type in power CFG space -H space off and click on enter. And if you want to enable it, you want to type in power CFG space -H space on and click on enter. I'm using a virtual machine, so that's why this error came up, but for you it should be working. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then that should do it for you.